remember writing this poem. Don't always remember writing a poem, but I remember writing this one. I remember getting up on a Saturday morning and sitting at my kitchen table with a notepad and a pencil, and I just wrote the poem and felt pretty right. It's called Anvil Sky. Do not look up to avoid the prospect of an anvil falling from the sky. 'Tis unfortunately a common occurrence, though not discussed at family dinners. To imagine it is to invite it. And who talks of near misses? There are few accounts of the heavy thing brewing deep into the earth only yards away. But wouldn't you think, with all that sky and our small heads? If you do look up, try to be focused. It begins as a black speck against the lovely blue sky, a tiny mark becoming slowly somehow larger. You have a little time to look around and reflect, to doubt and to wonder, to deny or disbelieve in the hurtling destiny of iron on its way from seemingly nowhere. If you look down, you may see a shadow gathering where you stand, innocent of evil, thinking of tomorrow. And you may feel the small breeze that billows the curtains in the pink house with the ivy on Kalamazoo Road.